This demonstration involves indoor testing of the KUM2500 clamp-on ultrasonic level meter using a serial cable. The tools used include the KUM2500 clamp-on ultrasonic level meter, an RS-232 serial cable for the probe, an 8-meter extension cable, a power adapter, a computer, and bottled water. Wiring. The wiring between the serial cable and the oil sensor is as follows. The yellow TX wire connects to the RXD terminal. The blue RX wire connects to the TXD terminal. The brown GND wire connects to the GND terminal. The red wire connects to the positive line of the power adapter, and the black wire connects to the negative line of the power adapter. The sensor operates within a voltage range of 9 to 36 VDC, and a 12 volts power adapter is used for this test. During the power on and debugging process, first connect the power adapter to the power supply, and plug the serial cable into the computer's USB port to set up the indoor testing environment. Then, invert the bottled water over the probe surface to simulate liquid level changes. How to read sensor measurements via Modbus commands. On the PC side, open the device manager to check the serial port number. Depending on the sensor protocol, communication can be either active reporting or passive query. In this test, the sensor protocol uses active reporting. From the serial port display, the sensor automatically reports one monitoring data entry every 10 seconds. Additionally, the sensor status can be queried by sending the AT command. For example, sending the AT command to check sensor validity. If the return value is 1, the sensor is functioning normally. Sending the AT command again can query the liquid level output to view the current liquid level measured by the sensor. At this point, the indoor testing of the sensor using a serial cable has been completed. Platform display. In the platform's real-time monitoring functionality, users can first view all vehicles' real-time information in the vehicle list, including location, fuel level, speed, and other vehicle data. The platform also supports trajectory playback to review all past routes and corresponding driving data. The video function allows viewing of real-time camera footage and historical playback. The Statistics Report module enables viewing various vehicle reports over selected time periods, with the option to select specific time periods. For fuel consumption analysis, users can view the vehicle's fuel consumption curve, which is updated in real time. This curve allows direct analysis of fuel consumption and refueling events. Users can also view refueling and leakage details over a selected time period to check specific refueled and leaked amounts and generate separate refueling and leakage reports. Additionally, monthly fuel details can be reviewed to see daily fuel consumption for the month, including per 100 kilometers fuel consumption, comprehensive per 100 kilometers fuel consumption, and driving mileage. Alarm reports can be queried by date to view all types of vehicle alarms, providing a comprehensive understanding of vehicle operational status. After watching, for more product details or model options, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.